This is the easiest wood coffee table DIY ever, so let's get right into it. Starting with this 3-foot round that I got at Lowe's, I sanded it smooth with my sander, and I had a helper who insisted on doing some sanding as well. Then I wiped it down to remove all the sanding dust, and if you're going to stain this soft wood, use a pre-stain conditioner, which is what I'm doing here, and I'm just applying it with a foam brush. Once the pre-stain conditioner dried for the appropriate time, I used this light walnut Danish oil stain that has grown on me since I've used it for a couple of projects. And then once it's dry, I attached these hairpin legs. 3 of them will cost you around $30 at Lowe's. And to get the 3 legs spaced out evenly, I found the center, drew a straight line, and then I used a protractor to find the 120-degree mark from the first line and then again from the second. You'll definitely want to pre-drill your holes before screwing in these legs, again, because this is a soft wood. So I marked out all the holes for each leg, used my drill to pre-drill, and then just screwed in each screw to attach. So here's a final look of this modern wood coffee table. I hope you'll subscribe for more easy woodworking projects like this. And as always, thanks for watching.